Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore Italy's hidden gems, the off-the-beaten-path destinations that often go unnoticed by tourists. Join us as we unveil the authentic beauty and unique experiences waiting to be discovered in the Bel Paese. Matera. Our first destination takes us to the enchanting city of Matera, located in the region of Basilicata. Matera is renowned for its sassi, ancient dwellings carved into the rock. As we wander through the narrow stone streets, we're transported back in time. The Sassi offer a glimpse into the lives of past inhabitants, with their intricate network of houses, churches, and cisterns. The UNESCO World Heritage designation highlights the cultural significance of this remarkable place. Alberobello. Next on our journey is Alberobello, a picturesque town in the region of Puglia. Alberobello is famous for its trulli, traditional cone-shaped stone houses. These unique structures create a whimsical atmosphere as we stroll through the maze-like streets. Exploring the interior of a trullo gives us a sense of the past, with their cozy interiors and traditional furnishings. The trulli of Alberobello have earned a spot on the UNESCO World Heritage List, and rightly so. Bergamo. Our adventure continues to the charming city of Bergamo, nestled in the Lombardy region. While often overshadowed by its neighbor, Milan, Bergamo offers a wealth of history and beauty. We make our way up to the Città Alta, the upper town, enclosed by medieval walls. The cobblestone streets lead us to stunning squares and breathtaking viewpoints. From the Venetian walls to the grandeur of the Basilica di Santa Maria Maggiore, Bergamo captivates us with its preserved architecture and captivating ambiance. Lecce. In the southern region of Puglia, we uncover the architectural marvels of Lecce, fondly referred to as the Florence of the South. This Baroque gem boasts ornate churches, opulent palaces, and intricate details at every turn. As we walk along the sun-kissed streets, the warm-colored stone facades transport us to a different era. Lecce's craftsmanship and attention to detail are truly awe-inspiring, making it a must-visit for art and architecture enthusiasts. Orvieto. Our next destination takes us to the charming city of Orvieto, located in the Umbria region. Perched atop a hill, Orvieto greets us with its stunning Gothic cathedral, a masterpiece of architectural brilliance. As we explore the medieval streets, we stumble upon charming squares, hidden corners, and inviting cafes. The town's Etruscan roots add a layer of mystery and intrigue to its already rich history. Not to mention, Orvieto is renowned for its exquisite white wines, particularly the Orvieto Classico. Ostuni, Puglia. Our next stop takes us to the captivating town of Ostuni, located in the region of Puglia. Known as the Città Bianca, or the White City, Ostuni enchants visitors with its dazzling white buildings and narrow winding streets. As we wander through the labyrinthine alleys, we are greeted by picturesque views at every turn. The whitewashed houses, adorned with vibrant flowers and traditional blue doors, create a postcard-perfect scene. From the stunning Gothic cathedral to the panoramic views of the surrounding countryside and the Adriatic Sea, Ostuni is a treasure waiting to be discovered. Cremona, Lombardia. Moving on to the region of Lombardy, we arrive in the city of Cremona, renowned for its rich musical heritage. Cremona is the birthplace of some of the world's greatest violin makers, including Stradivari and Guarneri. As we explore the city, we can feel the resonance of music in the air. The Stradivarius Museum takes us on a journey through the craftsmanship and artistry of these legendary instruments. Visiting the workshops of modern-day luthiers, we witness the continuation of this centuries-old tradition. Cremona's Grand Cathedral and its impressive Torrazzo, the tallest medieval brick tower in Europe, add to the city's allure. With its musical soul and architectural splendor, Cremona offers a harmonious blend of history and culture. As we conclude our journey, we reflect on the beauty of these underrated destinations. Exploring off the beaten path allows us to escape the crowds and immerse ourselves in the true essence of Italy. It's a chance to connect with the locals, embrace the rich cultural heritage, and create lasting memories. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or a lover of authentic experiences, these hidden gems of Italy offer something truly extraordinary. So, the next time you plan your trip to Italy, consider venturing beyond the popular tourist hotspots and embark on an adventure to Matera, Alberobello, Bergamo, Lecce, and Orvieto. Remember, the true magic of travel lies in discovering the lesser-known corners of a country, where authenticity thrives and unforgettable moments await. So, pack your bags, open your heart to new experiences, and uncover the hidden treasures that make Italy an eternal source of wonder. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow travelers. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the beauty that surrounds us. Ciao! Join us as we continue to explore the treasures of Italy, and let's keep discovering together.